Hello everyone, I am the co-founder of Shlok Fusion Industries Pvt Limited, and we deal mainly in SDP pipe and their fittings, which are basically butt fusion fittings and electro fusion fittings. And we are running a business for last 5 years. But I got to know about the boost services about 2 years back when Mr. Kishan came to us and showed us their services. And I'm quite fortunate that we opted their services that day, because like since last 2 years what we are observing in a business that uh, we have strengthened our presence throughout the India. Their apps are very simple to use, and they you can easily update them wherever you go within the phone also. And like after getting their services, I remember that we have seen quite a good flow of inquiries throughout the India. And I think it was one of the best decisions we made. And it has been about 2 years now we are taking the services, and we are also looking forward to have their better plans in future, and we are expecting a long connection with them. I highly recommend this service to other business owners, because at any stage you are in your business, these services are definitely going to help you, because this makes your business digital. So all the best.